Kadon Bosco Technical School Shillong kala Pynlong ka St. Joseph's Tournament minta kasngi ka arku laitri uyayong arhajar arku ar. Hakani ka tournament ki kina jo katiga school collection binta ha ki jingla kai ba pher kum ka basketball ka football ki indoor games kum ka jingla kai karam bat ki wei. Hakani ka singi lai don lang u director jo ka DBTS u Father Saji u principal Father Arcadius Puan u manager Brother Barnabas Kriam kino hikai ba ki kina jong katiga school. Lasdang ketika tournament dah kajing nak kai basketball bat football hapdeng kinong peniajong ketika school bat hikinna.
Much better. You will see people playing, you will come to know them, and you are going to interact with them throughout the games and with other activities. And so, first place, you are coming to know each other better. Second thing, you are already, you will have to plan, and so you learn how to plan. You learn how to accept mistakes and evaluate that and plan again so that you can win. And so it is not just, this is going to also help you later in your life. It's not that just a game that you are going to play. It has got a lot of values that are put into this. We learn to accept, we learn to plan, we learn to work together, which becomes so important. And so I want to wish you all the best. The organizing team, I have been seeing them preparing for this for a long time. So I want to congratulate Father Arcadius, the principal, and the entire organizing team.